Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I will show about formatting in MS Word. So let us start. So before formatting anything, I would like to type a few words. So let's start with my name. So here I have typed my name. Now first feature. This you can see the font style. So here the font is Calibri body font, and if you want to change any font, any other font for this text, you can do anytime. So how to do that? First, I have to select the text on which I will apply font. Suppose for my last name I want to use the different font. So here you can see the arrow mark is there. You can click on this arrow mark, or this shortcut key is showing for this font is Ctrl+Shift+F. Okay, so this key also you can press. Otherwise you can just click here, then you can see the font is selected. You can type your font whatever you like. So let us see one by one. From clicking here, I'm getting these options. The first one is having Calibri body, another one is having Calibri light heading. Then when you will scroll down, here is one showing recently used Times New Roman, because in some recent documents I have used this font, so it is showing in the recent font. Then just scroll down, you will see a lot of fonts are available here in this list. You can take any one for your selected text as per you like. So let's see one that is Times New Roman. Now you can see when I'm clicking on this text, it is Calibri body. It is showing Calibri body. But when I'm clicking here, it is changing to the new one, that is Times New Roman. So this is how you can change the font. Let us try some other fonts. Okay, I will select the total text here, and from here also you can type. Let's make it cursive. So this cursive I follow is Lucida, Lucida calligraphy. Now you can see it is in the calligraphy style. So this Lucida calligraphy you can use for cursive letters. Some more I would like to show, like suppose Lucida bright. You can see this one is another one. It is some different look. Then few more I will select from here. You can see now Lucida bright and Lucida calligraphy is now in the recent fonts, because just now I've used it. Then there is Algerian agency FB, Arial Black, Arial Nero. A lot of things are here. You see another font I'm choosing, Britannic bold. So this one you see, this is the Britannic bold. Okay, I would like to show you the common bold letter how it look like in Calibri body. Okay, you can see here I have chosen Calibri body, and I will type my name, and I will make it bold font, so you can see the difference. I'm choosing here bold. Okay, you can see the difference between these two. This is Calibri body which I have made it bold, and now it is the Britannica bold font I have used. So like this you can use different fonts from there. Then the next thing is font size. So up to this we have covered up to for font type. Now font size. So for again for changing the size, I will select the text. Here in the on double tapping, I'm selecting it. You can change the size from here. Otherwise, you can come to this. Here it is starting from 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12. Okay, just a second. Let me um, take it to the middle so that it will be visible clearly. Now, here you see. When I am choosing any font, it is just changing. Okay, font size is changing now. And here the maximum is 72 and minimum one is 8. You can see the difference. Whichever you like, you can just click on that. It will be fixed. Otherwise, these two options you can see. Using them also you can shrink or grow the size of the font. You can see the shortcut keys are also displayed by their side. Increase font size, it is Ctrl Shift then greater than key, and this one is shrinking or decrease font size. This is Ctrl plus Shift plus less than symbol. So these are the shortcut keys also available. So using these you can do like this thing. Okay, this one will be increasing. So now up to this I have covered how to change the style and size of the font. Now let us use few more features. Here you have already seen that I have applied bold font for this. Now I will write this same in italic, which will be little bit tilted. You can see when I am removing italic, it is changing back. Then underline also you can apply. There will be one underline below this word. And if you want to format the underline, you can see there are different type of formats. You can use any one. This is wavy line. This is dotted dash line. Okay. This is double line. Whichever you want, you can choose them. Here also one more feature, underline color. You can choose the color for your underline. You can see more colors are also available here. Whichever one you want, you can do. Here you have to okay. Now you see the green color what I have choose here. That green color line is coming under it. My text color is plain black, but the underline color I have chosen green, so it is coming green and double line underline. So this is how you can set the bold, italic and underline for the font. Then some more features for your formatting. Let us give some color to this for our font, for our text. Now we will give some color. So again for the same thing, you will select the text. You will choose the color from here, whichever color you like. Suppose I'm choosing here blue. Then for this word I will choose suppose uh, any color. This color I'm choosing. So here you can see I have applied two colors for two different words. This two. So similarly you can apply different colors. Then let us see how the highlighter is used. Okay, first I have to select the word. Then this one is just by that side of color. This one is the highlighter option. So here if you will click directly, it will come that yellow color which is selected. If you want more color, you can choose any one from here. You can see like this. Okay, let us use this color. Now suppose in some place you have already used but you want to remove that. What you have to do, you have to select again, then again go to that place. Here is a no color option. Just choose no color, the highlighting will be gone. So this is how you can use the highlighter option. So up to this I have told about color and highlighter. Let's see the next one. Now here I will type a sentence. Now you can see, as previously I have used underline, and from here I have put the enter and started. So that's why it is continuing the same bold and underline font. Okay. So I need to remove them. First bold, then again click on underline, it will go. Now here is the sentence I have typed. So you can see here the first letter is capital and rest are small. So this type of thing is called sentence case. Means in our normal sentence, like first letter is capital and rest are small, it is like that. But if you want, you can also change the case. So let us see what are the change case options are available. Uh, it is also available here, this option. You can see on my screen, 5 change case options are available. Okay, first one is sentence case, then lower, then upper, then capitalize each word, then toggle case. So let us see one by one. So as the first one what I have typed, it is already in sentence case. Let us choose lower case for this. Now when I will choose lower case, you can see the earlier this W was in uppercase, but now it is changed to lower case. And others are already lower, so they didn't change. But this W what was in uppercase earlier, now it is in the lower case. Now if I will change it to uppercase now, you can see all are capitalized. So uppercase means all will be capitalized. Then if I will choose capitalize each word, so what will happen? See, each word first letter is capitalized, rest are small. Then from here I am applying sentence case. You see now only the first letter is capital, rest are small. Now here I will make some changes. I will make some random capital letters in the middle, then I will use the toggle key because that will demonstrate it properly. Just see here, this O I am making capital, and this A I will make capital. This this one I will make it capital. So now you have seen few letters in the middle. I have made them capital and rest are small. Just see how the toggle case look like. Now here, after applying toggle case, you can see earlier those letters were in the uppercase, now they are in lowercase, and earlier which was in lowercase, they are now in uppercase. So it will switch between the cases. So this is what the use of toggle case letters. Now with this, I'm ending this video.